Hello, class 10. Today I will teach you linear inequations in one variable. Let first try to understand the meaning of inequation. The word inequation comes from inequality, which means not equal. If any two term is not equal, it may be the terms are greater, smaller, or greater and equal, or smaller and equal. These are the sign of inequality: greater than, smaller, greater and equal to, smaller than and equal to. Now see the generalized term of linear inequation in one variable. Ax plus b is greater than c, ax plus b less than c, x plus b greater than and equal to c, ax plus b less than and equal to c. Here x is a one variable of degree 1 which defines as a linear, and a, b and c are here real numbers. Now see after this some rules we have to follow for solving the linear inequation. Actually here there are 6 rules. Rule number 1: on transferring a positive term from one side of an inequation to its other side, the sign of term becomes negative. For example, ax plus b is greater than c, ax plus greater c minus b. Transferring this positive term from one side to another side, if the positive terms becomes negative. Similarly, in the rule second, on transferring a negative term from one side of an inequation to its other side, the sign of the term becomes positive. See the example: ax minus b is greater than c. Transferring this minus b from one side to another, this minus term becomes positive. Now see the rule number 3. If each term of an inequation be multiplied or divided by the same positive number, the sign of inequality remains the same. For example, x is greater than y. Both the sides of inequality multiplied by the p with the same positive number, the sign of an inequality remains same. Similarly, if x is less than y and both the sides of an inequality divided by the same positive number, that means plus p and plus p, the sign of an inequality remains same. Now see the rule number 4. If each term of an inequation be multiplied or divided by the same negative number, the sign of an inequality reverses. For example, x is greater than y, both the sides is multiplied by minus p. Now see the sign. Here the greater and here the less. If both the sides is multiplied with the same negative number, the sign of an inequality reverses. Similarly, in case of division also, if x is less than y and both the sides divided by the same negative number, the sign of an inequality reverses. Now see the rule number 5. If the sign of each term on both the sides of an inequation is changed, the sign of inequality gets reversed. See, for example, x is greater than minus y. X is with the positive term and y with the negative term. Now see the next line: x is negative, reverse sign, y is positive. So the sign of inequality will also reverses. Now see the rule number 6. If both the sides of an inequation are positive or both are negative, then on taking their reciprocals, the sign of inequality reverses. For example, x is greater than y. On taking the reciprocal of x, 1 by x, taking the reciprocal of y, 1 by y. Now see the sign. Greater becomes less. These are there are 6 rules we have to follow to solve the linear inequation. Now let us see some problem how to solve the linear inequation. Problem number 1. Solve the inequation 3 minus 2x greater than or equal to x minus 12, given x belongs to natural number, and also find the solution set. Here the inequation term is 3 minus 2x greater than or equal to x minus 12. In next line 3 is written same, minus 12 transferring from RHS side to from right side to the left side, it becomes positive, and minus 2x transferring from one side to another, it becomes the positive. So 12 plus 3, 15, 2x plus 1x, that is 3x. Now see, in the next step, both the sides divided by the same positive number. The sign of an inequality remains same. 15 divided by 3, that is 5, and this 3 will be cancelled, x is left. It means x is less than or equal to 5, where x belongs to natural number. Now see the solution set. X belongs to natural number, but the value of x, it should be less than or equal to 5. So the solution set will be the value of x, it should be less than or equal to 5. It means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, because x belongs to natural number. Now see one more problem. Given x belongs to integers, find the solution set of minus 5 less than or equal to 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2. The inequation term is this. In this inequation there are two different parts. First part is still here we will take, and another part we have to start from here to here. Now the first part, minus 5 less than or equal to 2x minus 3. So minus 5 is written same, transferring minus 3 from one side to another side becomes positive, less than or equal to 2x. Minus 5 plus 3 it becomes minus 2. This 2x is written same, both are sides divided by 2. This 2 divided by 2, which gets 1, and 2 divided by 2 will get x. Minus 1 less than or equal to x. The another term of same inequation is 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2, less than x plus 2. 2x is written same, transferring this positive x from this side to this side, it becomes negative. Minus 2 is written same, minus 3 transferring from this side to this side, it becomes positive 3. So 2x minus x, which is equal to x, and 2 plus 3, that is 5. So the solution of two inequations are minus 1 is less than x and x is less than 5, and x belongs to integers. So the value of x, it should be greater than or equal to minus 1, but it should be less than 5, it means 4. So the solution set will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see one more problem. Solve the inequation and find the solution set of this inequation, minus 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x less than 23. Now this time x belongs to whole number. Here the same inequation we have written. Again in same inequation there are two different parts. The first part, minus 1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x. Minus 1 transferring this plus 3 this side, it becomes minus 3, plus 4x is written same. Minus 3 and minus 1, minus 4 less than or equal to 4x. Both the sides divided by same positive number, the sign of an inequality remains same. 4 divided by 4, which gets minus 1, and 4x divided by 4, which is equal to x. And now the another part is 3 plus 4x less than 23. 3 plus 4x less than 23. 3. 4x 23 plus 3 taking this side minus 3. 4x 23 minus 3 which is equals to 20. Now both the sides divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 which gets x. 20 divided by 4 5. The solution set is minus 1 is less than x and x is less than 5. The solution set is the solution of an equation is minus 1 less than and equal to x and less than 5, and x belongs to whole number. So the value of x, it should be greater than and equal to minus 1 but less than 5, and x belongs to whole number. So whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 because the value of x is less than 5.